study group?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Please let me follow me to here.
Yes.
Okay. Is everyone here?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to Makassar class. I'm Samira as your friend. How's your life, guys? Oh, okay. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Samira Hanisa. I'm a shelter guide during in Makassar. Please check your baggage whether you have visit anything or not. Okay. Before we go to the bus, I know you all tired, yes? Because your flight very long. Okay. Go to the bus. Please check your baggage. And now let me going to the bus.
Yeah.
Okay, good morning all.
Good morning.
Welcome on board of Bangli Bus. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Safira Herunisa. You can call me Fira, and the driver is Fitra Azhar. I'm your guide for this tour, and we will arrive at the hotel in 1 hour. And so right now I will explain to you a few things that you must know for this tour. So right now we are on way to the hotel. After this we will take a rest, and 7 p.m. we will have dinner at the restaurant. So after that we will take a rest again, and tomorrow at 9 a.m. we will start our tour. Okay, I'm going to give you a little information about this country. So the city that you guys are visiting is called Makassar. Makassar is the capital of South Sulawesi province, and also the biggest metropolis city in Eastern Indonesia. There are so many tourist destinations in Makassar, such as the Fort Rotterdam, Lele Island, Desa Wisata Delta Laka, and many more. So the hotel you guys start, it's called the Gamara Hotel, and then we are having guys in Makassar.
Yes.
Okay guys, so we are now arrived at our hotel. Please watch your steps when you get out of the bus. I will take your luggage out and help you guys to check in to your rooms. While I'm doing that, please when wait in the lobby. I will get you there, so please follow me. Okay guys? Don't. Okay, please follow me. My step for my hand. Okay guys, we arrived in hotel, and so now, please wait here. I'm going to check in. Okay? You can sit. Okay. Hello. I want to check in for the Charaka group. Is ready? Okay, thank you. Hello guys. Yes, it's your case. Okay, please take a rest in your room. So we will gather again at 7 p.m. for dinner. And in this place we are meeting. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Herunisa. I'm the tour guide for this trip in the Chinatown of Makassar. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now we are in the Chinatown of Makassar. The Chinatown of Makassar is divided into two sub-districts, namely Wajo sub-districts and Ujung Pandang sub-districts. Makassar, South Sulawesi. Okay, so now I will explain about what is the Chinatown of Makassar. In outline, Chinatown of Makassar, there is place where ethnics most often live. Ethnic China's most often live, and it has a very uniquely Chinese style. Building where Chinese style building, where the style of the building is the accent style because the Chinatown of Makassar has existed since the 14th century AD. Where the Chinese ethnics come to Makassar for the first time, its existence can be proven by the existence of Chinese grapes around the Chinatown of Makassar market. This is area seems to be a witness the history of the arrival of ethnic Chinese in Makassar. Okay, so now I will explain in detail about our tour in the Chinese city of Makassar. So there are four aspects will be that will be explained or will be explained in the future in this trip. For the first, in the history of the Chinatown of Makassar is the name. The beginning of the construction of this area was since the arrival of the Chinese ethnic who is estimated to have first set foot in Makassar in the 14th century. This information is written on tombstone of Chinese cemetery in the central market. During the 16th century, known as the Ming Dynasty, China's national come to the southern coast of Sulawesi to run a business, but his business was progressing rapidly. It was decided to settle down and from a community in the Chinatown are now apart from its history. Now, ethnic Chinese who live in Makassar also live on average around Jalan Jampea, Sumba, and Sulawesi. Later, we can get to know what is Chinese culture in this Chinatown is because this place has many things that describe China's ethnicity, and there are many Chinese heritage buildings which are historical tours, and there are several buildings that still retain to characteristic of the Dutch era. One of pagodas around Makassar Chinatown is the Sianma Temple. Mm, so there are the Sianma Temple in the Chinatown of Makassar. The temple Sakti Naga Temple, although it was built as a place of worship, we can visit and see in built since 1864. This pagoda is the oldest in Makassar. Now it is almost 2 centuries old. However, when entering this area, you must comply with several existing rules, especially where there is worship. This is also where the first Mititi foods was there, and later we will stop by the place to eat Mititi, which is in this friend. Okay? So, Chinatown of Makassar is China's village located in Makassar, which is used a historical tour. Well, that's all the tour that we are doing. Is there anything you want to ask? I invite you. Okay, after the tour that we did, and I think that's my explanation about the Chinatown of Makassar. So, okay, before we go back, I will invite parents if you want to take some photos or some videos. There are to be a moment. I will give you 30 minutes, and later we will gather in this place to end our tour. Okay, stand together. Well, after so many of our tour trips today in the Chinatown of Makassar, I ended this tour in the Chinatown of Makassar. Ladies and gentlemen, we're able to return the bus that had been prepared. Okay, until here our journey, our trip. Thank you for your participation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.